Hello students, welcome to online classes of first year engineering mathematics. The title of the subject is Calculus and Linear Algebra. Hi, this is Dr. Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. In this session, we are going to discuss a derivation on angle between radius vector and tangent. So we need to obtain a formula which will provide an angle between radius vector and tangent. Means in a polar form, whenever we need to calculate an angle between a radius vector and tangent, that time this formula will be very much useful. So very first what I do, I'll start with a derivation. If P is equal, P of r theta be any point on the curve, be any point on the curve r is equal to f of theta. Means I'll be taking a curve here. There will be one curve in a polar form. So in this I'll be taking one point P of r and theta. Okay. Then since it is x, o and this P, x, o and P. So let me join this point from O to P, and we know that this distance from O to P will be treated as r, where r is a radius vector. Therefore, let us take x, o and P. This angle is equal to theta. So we get an angle between these two is called theta, and the distance O to P will be taken as r, and this is nothing but radius vector, and this theta is vectorial angle. Let us take P to one point L, P to a point L, that is PL, is a tangent drawn to the curve at a point P, from a point P to x-axis at L. If you draw this tangent, let us see how it comes. It comes as a tangent drawn from here to L. It makes an angle called as psi. Okay, so when we draw this tangent PL, a tangent at a point P, subtending angle psi, making an angle psi. Okay, and the angle between OP, that is nothing but a radius vector, and this tangent will be treated as pi. Either you take this side or you take this side, both are same. So this distance, the angle between radius vector and tangent will be treated as pi. Okay, so here pi be the angle between radius vector and tangent. Okay, so this is the thing what we discussed right now. Therefore, from this entire figure, if we take one point, here we can say that this curve, whatever we have drawn, this curve is r is equal to f of theta, and we have radius vector, and we have a point with r and theta, and we have an exterior angle known as xi. This is xi and theta, and the angle between radius vector and tangent is pi. Then from the figure, the above figure, what we have, xi is equal to, what is xi? We know that there is a property which we have already discussed in a previous year, that says exterior angle is equal to sum of interior angles. This is the property which we have already studied. Exterior angle is equal to sum of interior angle. Therefore, xi is equal to, here xi is what? Exterior angle. Sum of interior angle means theta plus pi. This is equal to theta plus pi, pi plus theta. Clear? Now let us apply tangent on both sides. Then it becomes tan xi is equal to tan of pi plus theta. Again, we know that tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b, tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. This is one more trigonometric property which we have already discussed. As per that, this becomes tan xi is equal to tan theta plus tan pi plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan pi into tan theta. I'll be calling this as equation number 1. So tan xi, this only we need. Tangent of xi, tan xi is equal to tan pi plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan pi into tan theta. Let us take a coordinate points x and y are coordinates in Cartesian form. Coordinates in Cartesian form. If these are the coordinates in Cartesian form at a point P, means where? Here. Then what happens? Already we discussed this in a previous class. So what we'll be getting? We will be getting x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. X is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. But here, since r is a function of theta, in our case, we have r is equal to f of theta. It means r is a function of theta. Therefore, we can treat these two are a parametric equation. Okay, these two are called as a parametric equation for polar conditions. Okay, when these are parametric equations, then automatically what happens? We know that the physical significance of dy by dx is what? Physical significance of dy by dx is equal to slope of tangent. Therefore, in this case, usually slope of the tangent will be taken as tan xi, which is nothing but dy by dx now, which is nothing but slope of the tangent. Fine, slope of the tangent. Therefore, this tan xi can be taken as dy by dx can be taken as, because these are the parametric equations which we are having, it can be taken as dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Therefore, differentiation of y with respect to theta, what it is? Differentiation of y with respect to theta is nothing but, or else I'll be taking this is nothing but d by d theta of y. Y is equal to r sin theta divided by d by d theta of x. X is nothing but r into cos theta. Therefore, tan xi is equal to r common, differentiation of sin theta is cos theta, plus sin theta common and differentiation of r is r dash. Here r dash is nothing but dr by d theta. Fine. Then divided by differentiation of r cos theta with respect to theta. Therefore, r common, differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta, plus cos theta common and differentiation of r is r dash. Okay. Therefore, if we divide both numerator and denominator, divide both numerator and denominator by one of its term, that is nothing but r dash cos theta, r dash cos theta. Then let us see what happens. Therefore, this equation becomes tan xi is equal to r cos theta divided by r dash cos theta plus r dash sin theta divided by r dash cos theta, this whole divided by minus r into sin theta divided by r dash cos theta plus r dash cos theta divided by r dash cos theta. Therefore, this is equal to, this result is equal to tan xi is equal to, here you can see cos get cancelled, so it is nothing but, I'll be taking here only, this is equal to r divided by r dash plus r dash get cancelled, then sin by cos is tan, so tan theta divided by, here this is sin theta by cos theta is tan theta, that into this, but here r dash cos theta divided by r dash cos theta get cancelled, so I'll be taking this first, so 1 minus r divided by r dash into tan theta. Okay, tan theta. So tan xi is equal to, now what it is, this is nothing but r divided by r dash plus tan theta divided by 1 minus r by r dash into tan theta. I'll be calling it as equation number 2. Then from equation number 1 and 2, from equation number 1 and 2, if we compare, what happens? So compare equation number 1 and 2. What is there in equation number 1? Equation number 1 says tan pi plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan pi tan theta, which is equal to tan psi. And here what it says, tan psi is equal to something plus tan theta divided by 1 minus something into tan theta. Means if you compare these two results, then everything is same. Tan psi in LHS remains same. Then tan theta remains same, tan theta remains same, 1 minus something. This something is replaced by tan pi there. Therefore, what we observe, compare equation number 1 and 2, then we observe tan pi is equal to r divided by r dash. Okay, r divided by r dash. This r divided by r dash can be taken as r divided by, what is r dash? R dash is nothing but dr by d theta. Dr by d theta. Therefore, tan pi is equal to r into this 1 divided by dr by d theta. If it is been taken to numerator, then it becomes d theta divided by dr. D theta divided by dr. This is one important result. So tan pi is equal to r into d theta by dr. This is one result. Suppose if you take its reciprocal, then what happens? 1 divided by tan pi is equal to 1 divided by r into this. What is that? D theta by dr. Therefore, which is nothing but 1 by tan pi is nothing but cot pi, which is equal to 1 divided by r into this 1 divided by d theta by dr. If it has been go to numerator, then it becomes dr by d theta. This is another very important result to get the angle between radius vector and tangent. Usually when this question appears in the examination, how it will appear? This will appear like prove that, or they say prove with usual notations. Tan pi is equal to r into dr by